Hello guys, to this vlog is all about unboxing. May binili kaming new air fryer and ice maker. Alright, let's go start it. Alright. Okay, ang unahin kong bubuksan ay ang ice maker.
Mommy, look, a big box.
Yeah, it is a big box.
What's that?
It's an ice maker. Yep, ice maker.
Wow.
Wow!
What's good?
Wait. Meron siya. Maganda tong ice maker, guys, pag may mga party. Baby, go, baby. Come here. Go sit here. Pag may mga party kayo or yung mga malalaking handaan, maganda to pag kasi ano siya, marami siya magagawang yellow. Marami siya magagawang ice. Ito yung manual. Wait, baby, look. Ano siya? Uh-oh.
Mommy.
Huh?
Mommy.
I'm trying to get this first. Just give me a minute.
I'm not gonna make
Yeah.
this.
See? She's trying to help me. Oh, that's so sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait.
Hard.
I know, but it's.
Wow.
Wow. Help mommy. Help mommy. Ayan. Malaki niya. Help mommy. Help mommy. Help. Help. Wait, Debbie. Wait. Ayan. Ang laki niya. Thank you, baby. Thank you for helping mommy. Alright. Ayan na siya, guys. I'm sorry. Ayan na siya. Ayan na yung aking ice maker. Ayan siya. Huh? Yep. So, ayan. Ayan siya. May ano siya, on and off. And then, select. Meron siyang select kung gusto niyo maliit na ice cube or malaking ice cube. And then, ayan. Add lang siya. Mag-add lang ng water. Tapos, mag-ano na siya. Mag-yellow na siya. Ayan.
Oh, God.
Ice maker, baby. And then, open natin yung loob. Meron siyang...
Mommy,
Yes.
where is that?
There's no ice yet, baby. Meron siyang pang scoop. Ayan, meron siyang... Ayan. Ganito yung loob niya, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan, malaki siya. Ayan. Yung ating ice maker. And then, ano ata siya? Sa natin yung manual niya. Okay. So, sabi dito,
on your eyes?
so, ano, 8 8 to 13 minutes lang siya, guys. Makakapagbuo na siya ng ice. 8 to 13 minutes. After 8 to 13 minutes, may ice na kayo. Ganun ka bilis.
Ow.
And then that's it. Ayun. Tapos na tayo sa ating ice maker. Baby, don't put your toys in there. Then next na natin yung ating air fryer. Ang bigat lang siya. Ang bigat. Ayan. Tadan!
Wow.
Ayan. Ang bigat. Ayan ang aking new air fryer.
Why?
Aking new air fryer. Hindi, may air fryer naman ako, pero ano siya, maliit lang siya. Pwede, sa air fryer ko, pwede ka lang mag-fry, french fries. Isa lang siya, maliit lang. Pero ito, 4 in 1. 4 in 1. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 in 1 siya, guys. Yan, 8 in 1. Yan, pakita ko sa inyo ha. Ang bigat kasi. 8 in 1 siya. Ayan, pwede siyang pang air fry, pang grill, pang toast, pang bagel, pizza, pang bake, broil, and reheat. Diba? Marami siyang magagawa. Para ano siya? Para siyang oven. Pero air fryer siya. Yan. Ayan. Ang bigat lang niya kasi. Ayan. Ayan. At saka marami kayong malalagay. Pwede kayo mag-barbecue. Ayan. Oh. Diba? Buksan natin siya. Ang bigat. Chastity, wanna help mommy? Oh my God. Wanna help mommy? Oh my goodness.
Okay, mommy.
Okay, thank you. Such a big girl.
I hate that.
Uh-huh.
Mommy, I hate it, mommy.
Huh?
I hate it.
Wanna help mommy?
Yeah.
Ayan na siya, guys. Baby, look.
Where?
Ayan, ayan siya.
Oh,
No,
no.
baby, it's heavy. It's heavy. Ayan, meron siya. Can you show them?
Yeah.
Yeah, show them.
Hi. You Cosa and pie. She did Yaki guy.
Good job. Show them.
So,
Good job. And show them the other one. And tell them what is it.
hi. Yeah, you girl, big girl.
Alright. Good job. Now, we're done with this. Meron siyang dalawang pan, guys. Parang talaga siyang mini oven. Ayan, meron siyang pang grill. Alright, we're done with that, baby. Then next. Yeah, show them. Uh-oh. Yeah, show them. Come on. Show them. Show them.
Hi. Silly.
Show them.
Hi. Yeah, girl. How do you acting now? Hey, yeah, she go.
Alright, then next. Show them. There's another one.
Hi. Silly. And
Did you tell them what is this?
girl. Good girl.
This for the French fries. When you remember, you like French fries?
A girl.
Yeah, when we cook French fries, we put here. Yeah. And this for The pizza. When yeah.
Hey, where's pizza?
Yeah.
Oh, pizza good.
It's pizza good? Okay. Good job. Good job, baby. Give me a high five. Give mommy a high five. All right.
And more.
There's more. That's right. And this one.
Oh, buffalo.
Yep. Now show them what's that for.
Hi.
Oh, come on. This for the drip tray, guys. Alam niyo yung pag nilalagay sa para hindi pag tumulo yung tawag doon, yung mga oil, excess oil, yung nilalagay sa baba. Yung parang oven nga. Nilalagay siya sa baba, tapos dito siya tutulo. Alright, next. Yeah, there's a big one. Oh my goodness.
So big.
Yeah, it's big. Now, let's put it here first.
Wait,
This is big. Oh, there's another tray. Yeah, show them.
Hi. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Alright.
More nuts.
Same lang yan.
Oh.
Alright, ayan na siya, guys. Ayan. Ayan na yung ating air fryer. Ayan, parang siyang mini oven. Ayan. Diba? Wait, baby, wait. Let's show them how to put the tray. Wait, baby, wait. Let's put it here. Okay. Then put the tray there. Tray. Get the tray. Ayan, pwede siya dito. Ganyan, lagyan mo siya dyan. Then this one goes in here. Wait, baby, wait. Huh? You make a pizza. Ayan, nilagay siya dyan. Then, ayan, pag gusto nyo mag-french fries, lagay nyo lang dyan. Tapos ito naman, pwede nyo siya guys pagsabah-sabayin. Like, gusto nyo mag-grill, gusto nyo pizza. Pwede nyo siyang pagsabah-sabayin. Like, dito yung french fries nyo, dito yung grilled nyo. Tapos dito naman yung pizza, tapos dito naman yung grilled. Pwede nyo siya pagsabah-sabayin. There you go. There you go. Ating air fryer. Let's show them. Wait. Let's show them. Like, meron tayong, ayan. Meron siyang temperature there. Meron, ayan. May temperature, may function, may reheat, toast, pizza. Yeah, choose nyo lang air fryer. Lagay nyo sa air fryer. And then sa bake. And then sa toast, sa reheat. And then there's a temperature as well. What temperature is it? Yeah. Ayan. Yung luma kong air fryer, hindi siya, maliit lang talaga siya. Sobrang liit. Okay, that's it. Yun lang guys, yun lang yung ating unboxing today. And say bye-bye to them.
Mama.
Sana gusto niyo yung aming unboxing. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you.
Mama, Lufa.
Okay, say don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you guys.